80% of the top CEOs use this tool. Want to know which tool they are using? It's called as mind mapping. Now, why you need to learn about mind mapping? There are so many examples. Professionals all across the globe use this tool. Aristotle rightly said, the soul never thinks without a mental image. It is difficult to process information without a visual representation. Let me explain you with an example. We all take notes in a lecture or a meeting, but we fail to write everything that is said in that session. Neither we are able to remember what was said. So there are many reasons why mind mapping will help you. And so many students, working professionals use this tool. Some of the advantages of mind mapping are it helps you organize things better. It improves your learning, enhances it. It'll bring in more creativity, it'll help in generating ideas, brainstorming sessions in a meeting. It'll improve the memory and recall value. It also helps when you are in a problem-solving sessions. It helps in note-taking, summarization, collaboration, and communication. If you're planning goals for yourself and for your company, it helps in strategic planning and goal setting. It helps in time management and also in stress reduction. I know the list is long. So do you want to learn this amazing tool? If your answer is yes, stay with me till the end of the video. So let's now discover the power of mind mapping. First of all, what is mind mapping? It's a visual thinking management tool. Mind maps are graphical representation of information. In contrast to traditional linear notes, you might make it on a text document. So it's one single page where you get all the information. So let's see what are the elements. Number one, we start with the central idea or concept. This is the main idea or topic that you want to explore in your mind map. So you put that in the center of the page. Second is curvilinear branches, starting from the central image. From this central idea, add branches that connect to related thoughts and ideas. These branches can be labeled with keywords or short phrases, not long sentences. The third is add sub-branches. As you continue to explore your idea, you add sub-branches that connect to the more specific thoughts and ideas. So these sub-branches can also be labeled with keywords. If you want to make more impactful mind mapping, you can add images and symbols. Mind mappings enhanced by adding images or symbols helps to convey the meaning much better because it's a visual representation. Number 5, you use conscious colors to make it more appealing, and you use formatting and these different colors so it is visually more appealing to the eyes and your attention is much more. Mind mapping represents a hierarchy. It shows relationship between individual ideas and enable you to see at a bigger picture at one glance. Remember, it's on one single page. So on your screen right now, I'm showing you a mind map where you're planning a birthday party. Simple as that. You might forget so many things. This will help you in planning without missing any details. Different colors make the visual presentation look more appealing and organized. It helps in a seamless strategic planning of a simple thing like planning a birthday setup. So do try this tool for your professional and personal setups, and it's an excellent tool. I'm sure you're going to thank me after learning to use this tool. Thank you so much. God bless. Do write in the comment section if you want to know further how mind mapping is done. Thank you so much.